Protecting wetlands for our common future haiba wakalunda World Wetland Day Thoram Loktak Development Authority LDN Sinduna ngasi Central Lakefront Loktak Lake ta pangthokre Thoram aduda wetland conservation tawbada chawna mateng pangliba miyoi mari loinana CSO ahunda Certificate of Appreciation piduna ikai khumna utki Governor Kumar Bhalla sayesi oina water word census report amadi booklet on water words of Loktak Lake su release tauki Thoram matuga mari lenina Governor Kumar Bhalla na phongdokibada Asia gi oina Ramsar side masing yamna leibada India na makok oiri adubu matamgi matungina wetland sing satellite image ta nomonomogi masing mangsilakli Masibu kannabagi tung yumbirel oirakadoriba nahasingda community awareness piba mathau tai lengang nasu wetland singbu kannaba thabak kaya paikhali ba thabak sing mapung phan bada leibak asigi citizen ama oibagi thaudang adu sangi haiki
Many wetlands have disappeared over a period of time in these states because population has increased, construction have happened. So Loktak today you are seeing still as a lake. I'll come back to the next generation. But in many places in Assam and all, many wetlands started disappearing. And these are lungs of these are kidneys of the land for all of us. We all know it very well. We have 89 sites in India which are Ramsar approved sites. Loktak is of course the most important one. Please remember, if the sustainability, if the conservation is not done, your children may not be able to see this lake. It can disappear. It gradually over a period of 50 years, 100 years, if we don't take care of this. You simply need to take care. Government will make efforts. But as citizens, I think we have a role to play. Citizens need to contribute in not spoiling it, encroachment, putting waste there.
Thoramadu da saru yakiba Minister Govindas Konthongsamna phongdokibada Mana politician ama oirakpadagi ngasi fawbada NHPC na Loktak asi makhoigi mai sungnanaba reservoir oina sizinaduna lakibadagi Loktak asi soksilapagi mayokta NHPC decommission tawbiyo haina lanthinaduna lakli masidasu governor na mijeng sangbiyo hairaduna Loktak leitrabadi isagi culture isagi identity mangkhigani haiki Thoramadu loiraba matungda governor na hi tongduna Loktak mayaida nga masakya thadaki
Loktak kanba hai base koi punamang na haira gadi laiba but what is our responsibility koi dai di karino dai lau deba plastic bottle thada ba ya de plastic bottle dum thada eba Loktak manung da phatta ba toksin gum se Loktak manung da phatta ba dum tawe Loktak se encroach taw gum se Loktak dum encroach tawe asi oiraga de koi Loktak kadai de hingani Loktak si laitaba matam da mi lak ahum gi mathakta hingnana bagi isa isu semna na bagi pili ba khudong sa ba se koi lai gadra lai gadaw man de ita pham sing se kanglakpa matam lairakta matam da aikoi da achauba hawa nungsit ka hongba ma aikoi de soidan lakani international wetland gi numi lakpa da nataba Loktak de palan tawba da nataba aikoi isa se responsible citizen amoina we have to protect we have to take a call to protect all the wetlands in our state